All of your dreams, adoration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart on my sleeve for decoration. Mistaking my love, I brought for you for foundation. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, of course, we're going to be doing our hair. It's going to be a quick install and just like a quick style with my Cayenne curling iron. So this wig is a 13x4 lace frontal wig with platinum blonde highlights with black hair. So it's very out there. It's not like literally my go-to with like highlights. So it's like I don't really prefer that too much, but yeah, that's just my preference. But I've seen some other girls rock these hair textures with these like in your face highlights, and they look really good, but on me I just don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. Anyways, it's 22 inches, 13x4 lace frontal wig, has adjustable straps, an elastic band, it has combs, and when I put this wig on, I definitely forgot that I didn't pluck it. So I had to pluck it on camera for you guys. It was really easy. Everything is really self-explanatory. I did use my Wig Dealer's Touch Up Lace Bonding Gel. This stuff is so good, you guys. I keep on telling you, I highly recommend this. It's just so good, and it stays on for days, and you can take it off with water. It's better than using, what is this? Bold Hold. And y'all know I use Bold Hold. It's like my go-to thing, but now I have something that can secure my wig, and I just have to take it off with water. I don't have to use alcohol or anything. Yeah, this is it. It curled super easily, and I love the density of this wig. Like, I would not change anything when it comes to this density. They did their thing with it. I absolutely love how it curls, how it looks when it comes, or not how it looks, but how it feels. I love how it feels, and I like how the curls look. It's just the highlights are a little bit too much for me. A little bit too much. As you guys can see, like these curls and the density, it's just freaking amazing. I absolutely love it. And my daughter is about to cry, y'all, so we gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have tried this wig before, go ahead and leave a comment down below so the girlies can take notes. And I do want to mention that I did tone this wig with purple shampoo, and yeah, I did that. Yeah, so you're gonna have to, whenever you get any type of platinum blonde, you're gonna have to take the yellow-ish tones out of it. So yeah, I definitely used purple shampoo. And yeah, so anyways, we're gonna stop here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
I'm so exhausted. I'm so exhausted.
time to have you lurking. Now act like you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me, you're not righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams had duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience.